Hello everyone and welcome back. Find out today how I take out the filter from a washing machine looking like this, covered in fibers from clothes. All the washing that you do gets collected and I clean it up and make it look like this. So join me today. I will be working on the filters and I will also be working on the tray, what your soap dispenser is. So join me. I'll do a step-by-step guide and just to show you how easy it is. Hello, if you are already subscribed, and welcome if you are new to the channel. Today we're going to do the washing machine. So this bit over here, you just need to give it a quick, because it does collect, especially when you dry your clothes in your washing machine. Fibers do get collected. You can actually skip this step. Somehow in my head it made sense to use disinfectant and a paper towel to wipe this, but I'm actually going to take it out and clean the whole thing, so you can skip this. So looking a lot better now. And then this bit, you can pull it out like so. So this actually does come out, and you can drain the water like so. So you will definitely need a towel. See? That does come out, and these are all just the fibers from your clothes. And we are now going to just focus on cleaning whatever is in there. Flush everything's out. Just gonna spray. Gonna get my scrubber. This is my pink stuff, sonic scrubber. You can even use a toothbrush. So removing that filter, you can see all the little pebbles and stones that I probably picked up from kids and were inside the clothes, but this process allows to take out all the gunk and stuff that's building up in there. I will show you in another video how to remove the limescale. Get your it's got a bit of limescale build up in there, so I'm gonna have to get like a limescale remover. So that's that part done. And now we're going to focus on, okay. So with this filter here, it's probably just all build up from clothes, you know, when you dry clothes, all the fibers that come off. Hot soapy water, I'm gonna do that right now. Doing very washing up liquid to put this in there. You can leave it to soak in there for some time if you want, but if we don't have time, it's better to just get your toothbrush. Okay, so it's looking a lot better than it did at the start. Just gonna rinse it. There you have it. Nice and clean, better than what it did at the start. So we're gonna dry this up and pop it back in. Okay, so remember, like what I said, the stuff that's in there, it's just like limescale that's building up. So what I'll have to do is get some Viacol or some white vinegar in there just to loosen it up, but currently running out of time, so I'll leave that task for another day. This is now clean and ready to be put back in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, and if you found this video to be very helpful and gave you insight on learning how to do this, because I know a lot of people don't. So please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already and you are enjoying the content. I'm now going to spray the flush and clean outside of the washing machine because it needs it as well. Okay. Just give the whole area a spray. Right. You guys already know that this does come off from your washing machine, so you just take it out and give it a quick wash. If you want further insight on how to deep clean your washing machine, if you look on the top right hand corner over here, you will find a link to how to deep clean your washing machine. Toothbrush or sonic scrubber. Okay, now I'm going to give this a quick rinse. All right. Nice and it's ready to be put back in. So I'm now giving the area a quick wipe down with some disinfectant and putting everything back in. This was simple and effective. It's going to probably make the washing machine work a lot better. And look forward to part 2 on how to clean your filters, which next week we'll be focusing on the dishwasher. So taking out the filters, how to take out the filters, how to give them a thorough clean, what products to use, where to clean it, how to clean it. So join me next Friday, actually no, this Friday, for part 2, where again we're just gonna focus mainly on the dishwasher filter. I will also do a bonus video on cleaning the caddy where you store all your sponges for your dishes. So join me on Friday. Bye.